Welcome to 135 Aurea Boulevard, Golden Bay. Positioned directly opposite a peaceful park and just movement from the beach, this stylish townhouse offers the best of relaxed coastal living. Step inside to light-filled open-plan living, a modern kitchen with quality appliances, and 3 spacious bedrooms complemented by 2 beautifully finished bathrooms. Outside, enjoy your own private courtyard, low-maintenance gardens, and a secure double garage, perfect for lock-up and leave convenience. And here's the exciting part. It's incredible opportunity for Airbnb and holiday rentals. Whether you're first home buyer or savvy investor, this home ticks all the boxes. Selling property with the personality only Abhishek Disawala? Call me today.